Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your audience on TikTok Live. First of all, just open up the TikTok application in your mobile and then simply tap on this plus icon. Now scroll and click on Live. Right here, all you need to do is click on Settings. In Settings, you need to take here is to screw. Right here, you are going to see Audience Controls. Now what you need to do is just turn on this in case if it's turned off. Now with this you are going to see a pop-up. You have to click on this. Okay, it says thanks for helping us delivering content to the right audience. Your live video will still be removed if it violates our community guidelines. Now go ahead and click on OK. Now your live is going to be limited to a certain age. Let's say you can select the age above 18 and older. This is how to control your audience on TikTok Live. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.